All right, everybody. Happy Thursday evening. It is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 28th. In crypto world, Solana's moving, Ethereum is pretty flat. Traders, welcome to the official masterclass of the VWAP Wave System. So I'm doing some editing. I have to cancel this. All right. We did our first masterclass on the toolkit today. It went really, really well. We're just finishing up editing that. Oil's pretty flat. Gold is really flat. Not much volatility there. Today was such a busy day. Man, all day busy. And here we are trading crypto. Bitcoin. Oh, that was a key spot there, huh? Bitcoin looks like it could be an interesting short, actually. Ethereum broke above this low volume node. And it's the first time we're really getting the return to value since this morning. So I am looking for some more upside here. The rest of crypto is green. I'd be surprised. All right. Well, a little slow execution here. So let's see if we back test and we hold long. I'd like to get filled here around 500. So 500 to about a 1-to-1. $35 either way. I do like this spot. Very quiet tonight in Trader Streamland, huh? I am loving the VWAP Wave System toolkit. I think it's saving me a lot of going back through different charts and explaining things to people, which is really, really nice. I got a nice fill on Ethereum there. I think that was a really good spot to get long. We'll see what happens. I did do the full walkthrough today. That's all recorded. I just finished editing it. So I'll be posting that. Yeah, very busy day. I'll be trying to post that later tonight after this stream. I do have 3 Ethereum in my cash account. 3 Ethereum long. Like to see us take out these highs and move on up to 530 would be nice. LJ Biz. Hey, Flux Charts. We got Flux Charts in the house, guys. They're the ones that designed the indicator. And it's super powerful. We did a long walkthrough today. Broke down every feature step by step. And I just finished editing it. So we'll release that. Yep, Chucky, it's all ready to go. I just need to upload it to YouTube. I just finished processing it. It's like a 5 gigabyte video. All right, so I have my 3 Ethereum. All right, I'm copy trading right now. So my followers are in on this trade with me. So up 20. Would like to see if we can get this next leg up. Oh. So one's about flat. These two are in the money. So Mike, the initial balance times do not automatically change. The way I've worked around that is by having different tabs up on for the different IB times. So I have one for gold, I have one for Bitcoin, I have one for the indexes, and I just flip between those. And then on these, I can flip to, gold will just be gold, but on the indexes and crypto, I can switch between them. So you don't really manually have to do it if you prep it properly. So instead of switching on the chart, right, I just go to the different tabs, right? I have the indexes, I have gold, right? Instead of flipping the instrument on my one chart, I could just flip through them like this. The normal ones I trade. So copy trades on BTCC. Sign up for a BTCC. That's the exchange. You sign up for an account there. And then you're able to copy trade me. You go to copy, futures copy trading. And then you search Drysdale. And then there I am. I got 6 followers. 6 people copy trading me. 80% win rate. I'm up 25%. So it's cool. Did you? Let's hope because I'm lead trading. The trade I'm in right now is being copy traded. What's up, Michael? Kaufman in the house. Got LJ Biz. Yeah, the copy trade is an auto thing. I take a trade, it copies it right into your account. It's crazy. That's crypto for you. Wild West. We can do whatever we want. No regulation, no nothing. I would never do that with actual futures or stocks. I don't have a license for that, obviously. Very choppy. Let's see what the other markets are doing. XRP, lower high, a little bit of a low volume node there. Solana's the strong one out of the group here. Bitcoin. Wonder if Bitcoin's going to pull it down because this is a huge inflection level right here. We had a capitulation and then we have monthly lower band. And weekly upper band. I don't know about all that. Bitcoin looks bearish. Ethereum looks stronger because we have the return to value on the intraday. XRP is breaking a key level, but we still have weekly. We got weekly VWAP right here, along with this low volume node. So that's interesting. Let's see if that holds. And then Solana is in full on price discovery to the upside. But you don't want to really buy the highs, do you? So we'll see. Back down to 500. Yeah, you can absolutely turn off the colors on the indicator. Yep. You just go in. And then you just, this is it right here. You just turn that off. Boop. It's good for everything. I have not seen, I mean, it's not good for meme coins, right? Because there's no volume. You're not going to get much information. It's excellent for stocks. I developed it for the first time, was on small caps, using it to, just differentiate when we were still in price discovery to the upside on crypto, on small caps. And when we started trading under the upper band, I had more confidence to go short. Yeah, it's totally transferable towards asset classes. Stocks, I trade stocks with it. especially swing trades. I use the higher term VWAPs, the monthly and the yearly for my stock trades. So it's all applicable, just looking at higher time frames. See if we come out of this. I've used Bookmap a ton, and I just really haven't been able to derive much of an edge from it. It's cool. It looks very cool. It's a lot of, but the cumulative delta is pretty much the same cumulative delta I get elsewhere without having to pay for Bookmap. Let's go Ethereum. Come on. What happened to my... Oh, there it goes. Okay. So anyway, back to Bookmap. I really haven't, the liquidity is usually at areas I thought the liquidity would be at. All right, coming back up to this high here, this swing high. So I usually do a 1-to-1 bill, and I'm looking to get back up to session VWAP here, and then we have a low volume node in the way. So I'm not being too greedy, I don't think, with this trade. And then, if I'm going to give it equal risk, that's right around here. That's putting me below this capitulation anchored VWAP, below the lower band. So it's pretty safe. I might tighten it up as we go higher. We could even tighten it probably here at this point. I don't like how sellers hit it every time we get up here. What's up, Corey? Corey's here, guys. We can start trading the cryptos, cryptocurrencies. Good, I'm sitting in this very slow moving Ethereum trade. And I don't like how the sellers hit it every time it gets up to where I really want it to break, which is obviously right here. And today was quite bullish. Your execution time had to be good, though. Back down it goes. What is this? This is 480. Oh. That thing just grinded up too, didn't it? There was a short at 4, right before 4, right? Yeah, we had this low volume node up here. at 800. Couldn't break through this. We got that final capitulation at 354 and it just went down. Good reversal signal. Not too early. 10 points. Not too much heat. Great entry point. Yeah. I like that trade a lot. Composite low volume node and monthly upper band within 10 points of each other. Great trade. All right, so back to this kind of key level low volume node. Would you upload your chart and it do the if you did, that would be really cool. Okay. All right, nothing crazy going on here. I'm down $23 in this trade right now. Nothing crazy. The minimum deposit, there is no minimum. I think, you know, you can start with a very small amount of money. Baguna Bura. They don't care. Crypto doesn't care how much money you put in. You know, maybe start with like $100, something like that. So this still looks like a pullback to me, not really a reversal, but we'll see. I'd like to see it hold one of these zones here. I'll be right back. See something. The indexes going down are not helping the situation here. Buyers have left the building. LJ, I don't trade big size on crypto, so you don't have to worry. I think you can put in a couple $100 and you'll be fine. Now we might scale it up eventually, but as for right now, I'm keeping it quite small for people to get involved and get comfortable with it without a lot of exposure. All right, we're back in the green. if we could stay in the green. Oh, did I miss? I missed. Do you have guidance on when to take profit on the way up? I take half contracts off at around 50%. All right. Only downside is the wins are smaller and you occasionally have a big one-to-one. In reality, I guess it's less. Yeah, but you should also be tightening up your stops as well, so it works in your favor. I've always taken profits early but I always trade level to level as well. So hopefully there's some absorption going on here. We'll get that move up sooner or later. Right. So, I hopped on later, right? So, the ideal place to have gotten in this trade, if I had been sitting here trading, would have been a little earlier, right? Return to value. When I hopped on, we're trading above this composite low volume node. I saw the back test. All right, so I'm hoping we got another pullback, which we got. So I got in here looking for this level ultimately to hold. And what we have is in confluence here is we returned into the weekly VWAP. We have a capitulation anchored VWAP that we're staying above. And we're still above this high conviction, low volume node from the composite along with the IB extension. So we have a whole lot of stuff kind of hopefully holding us up here. I'm looking for the continuation that way. The rest of crypto is up. Solana's up 5.5%. Bitcoin's up 1%. So I'd like to see Ethereum turn green, but also 30 minutes we're going to have a new quote unquote open. So we'll see. Okay. No problem, Mike. Thanks for stopping in. Yeah, of course. Not a problem. Laguna, thanks for joining us. This is definitely a little bit of a quieter stream, which is cool. I don't mind quiet. I like quiet. I don't like that this level is failing. This is kind of the level I wanted to see hold up. So this is going to be our last line of defense here, guys. This is it. This doesn't hold. We're outie. many people we got watching this thing? Got 11 people. We got 11 people in the Discord. We got 16 people. Billy says, any tips for discipline? I keep going, doing great on paper and evals, and I just become an idiot unfunded. I feel you. It's a very common problem, of course. It's about knowing yourself and about creating an environment for you to succeed in. So use any type of risk management tools you have. If you're trading in Project X, for example, put in your criteria and lock yourself out so you can't change them. Sometimes using a checklist helps, like I have up on here, making sure I'm checking all the boxes before I take a trade. That can be very helpful. So if you have it up in front of you on your screen, it makes it a lot harder to just go against it, right? Make sure you're constantly checking your boxes. I'm doing all of my things. I've been trading in like a $15 range so far. Oh, I stepped in there. So does that help, Billy? I mean, checklists help a lot. Putting stuff around to make sure that you're following your rules. Well, let's get the short squeeze. All these shorts from here. Squeeze them out. Just squeeze them out. NQ looks like it might have put in a little floor there. If NQ can break above VWAP here, that might be bullish for crypto as well. Billy, what instrument are you trading? So I'm also trading Breakout prop. I'm up $1,800 in this prop firm account with Breakout. I have about 4 Ethereum long in this account as well. And 3 Ethereum long in my cash account. And Q's getting some money to the upside, just broke VWAP. Let's see if we could bring the risk assets with it. That'd be nice. Decisively broke over VWAP there. Let's see a vicious squeeze. It's going. Come on, light up like a Christmas tree. Not yet, Corey. I just finished editing it. So I still have to upload it. I'm thinking about doing it after I'm done with the stream here. It'll depend on whether my wife wants me to come to bed for instead. She has she's been at work all day and she's got work again tomorrow. She's a nurse practitioner for a psychiatric hospital. So she works 12-hour shifts. Oh, nice. Nursing school stuff, man. It's no joke. They really put them through the ringer. Good for her or him. Really get to help people, really make a difference. If you don't let the red tape bureaucracy get in your way too much. Because that shit is real. I hear about that stuff every day. She. Awesome. Come on. This might be the most boring crypto stream I've had so far. I'm in the green. Barely. Does she know what kind of nursing she wants to do, Corey? Or is she still kind of figuring that out? So in 20 minutes at 8 o'clock, we get a fresh VWAP. Oh, it's the big money nurse. Anderson said, is it true trading will make us all go bald from the stress? How do you think I got this way, Anderson? I had a full set of head of hair when I started trading. No, that's actually not true at all. I've actually had a very little hair since I was in my 20s. Oh, is what it is. I mean, that's the move, isn't it? The DMP. That's what my wife has. DMP. That's a lot of work, man. Yeah, she's a smart lady. Father's a judge. Brother's a district attorney. Sister's a doctor. I married smart, Corey. So I'm going to take care of my ass. Second wife, though. So I learned what not to do the first time. All right, let's see if we get this move up. I'd like to see us at least get back to 512. I can cover half this position, and then maybe we'll get that runner up to VWAP in the next 15 minutes. We'll see. That's right. Number two gets the best. First is the worst. Not always necessarily the case. In my case, that was the. This is the grindiest Ethereum has been. What else we got? XRP's moving very slow. Solana seems to be the gen. Everything is just so grindy. I didn't think this would happen with Bitcoin, but it is. Breaking above this level. Could be a nice move. Hopefully it brings everything with it. We're trading futures. Spot is more for like holding longer positions. Futures is just like regular futures. We can short easily, we can long, we have the leverage, we have all that good stuff. Futures. Put it into futures, Michael. Now make sure it's in futures. I don't do spot. I'm more of an active trader. Of crypto. I do own some XRP. I do own some Bitcoin. not huge positions. I guess that's subjective. To me, it's not huge. I don't have a full Bitcoin to put it in perspective. Here comes Bitcoin. If it can break above this level, they might pull the rest of it with it. So here we go. Okay. This is promising. I'm green. I'm in the green. All right, we're moving. Here we go. Come on. So this was a good back-tested low volume node. It looks like in a very, very slow fashion, it's doing what I thought it would do. Breakthrough, back test, go. Return to value to VWAP. Oh, man. Japanese industrial output preliminary month over month. Retail sales increase. Industrial output down. No pressure, right, Kaufman? No pressure. All right, we got 8 minutes till the 8 o'clock hour. Oh, there's been some pretty choppy price action. Very slow. NQ trading in a very tight balance, starting to go down now. Japan pulling it down. Up nicely here. 60, 76, 85. Picked up 20 in the prop firm account. There goes. Close that one. Let's go. I'd like to see the next leg up. Come on. Yes, 150, 160. Took those. See if we could break over this. I think it's about time it went higher. What do you guys think? Nice, Michael. Yeah, we watched crypto's good now. NQ. 8 o'clock is a little better. Oh, come on. What happened here? Number 5. This is 5. Number 6. Sold off against that level again. Can't seem to get above 512 for some reason. Kaufman said, I'll send you pics of my 10-month-old daughter so you can put a face in the future you are facilitating or destroying. Well, that's wonderful. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? We got to break. If we break this, we're running. We're going to 530. Got to be patient. What's up, Ramiro? All right, I've been in this. I've literally been in this Ethereum trade since I started the stream almost an hour ago. It's going very slowly. I'm strongly considering just closing it altogether. Even though Bitcoin's moving, Ethereum can't catch a bid with it. This is a key level, though, isn't it? This is IB low. We got a low volume node here. Oh, here we go. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Never thought I'd be the one teaching people patience, but here we are. Okay, 8 o'clock. Make or break. No. Okay. Why does it always it wicks like that over and over again. It's so frustrating. Somebody just keeps dumping. We had such a nice candle. It was going. All right, I think I'm going to kibosh it. Call it a night. Closed out of my trades on Breakout. Got some nice profits on that. So that's done. I'm done there. Trying to figure out what I want to do in my cash account. I think it got bought up. Those are low volume nodes. Ugh. So frustrated. Should have just took it. Now here we are. Back right at my entry point. Ugh. That's so annoying. It's a capitulation candle too. Okay, well, I'm going to close it here, guys. If you're going to keep trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. We'll be back at it tomorrow for futures, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to close this trade. Just couldn't keep going. I'm at break even here, so might as well. All right, guys, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Have a good night. See you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be posting the walkthrough, masterclass walkthrough here shortly as well. So stay tuned for that, and have a good night, guys.